Hey people, this is Matthew with Riverponics. Have a new product I want to show you. This is actually on my website on the main page. If you scroll all the way down, you can see this product, and I call it the Riverponics growing flats, and these lay flat right on the ground. Now I have made some improvements and tweaked some things, so if you did a purchase, this is what you'd be getting right here. Okay, so I'll show you the components and how it works. And I just literally expanded on my grow system right now with my existing grow system. You see my tomato plants and the rest of my grow operation there, and with this here I've just expanded on my system. So this is one way to utilize my patented brewer. My patented brewer is what's currently feeding my system right now with these 10-foot tall tomato plants and everything else. And so basically what I've done, and all these parts and pieces are available when you purchase this, but I come right off my reservoir with a 1/4-inch quick connect fitting and that tubing, and that tubing comes all the way over here to right here to another float valve. That float valve right there controls the level of fluid within both of your grow channels here, your flats. Of course, you got a control valve there. Turn that on and off if you need to do maintenance and what have you. But that float valve is adjustable as well, so you can adjust the water level. And then I have an inline pump, and that inline pump is to keep the fluid circulating within the channels. That 3/4-inch pipe ties the two together, and you have a pull and a push with that inline pump. And this is the pull side. Goes through the pump and then it pushes it back over, and everything flows like a river. That's exactly why I call it Riverponics. So it keeps everything fluent, your water's not stagnant, and it's just a nice thing. Now this does come included with lids. Here's the lids. These are removable, and you can cut these lids at intervals. I'll show you. Cover it up there, real nice. And you cut those lids at intervals for your containers, okay? And then it's a self-watering system. I have a wicking mechanism on all my containers, whether it be a large or small, that wicks up the water and nutrients from the grow channels. So this thing takes care of itself. It feeds itself with water, and it's really nice. So I can sell this system with a brewer or without a brewer. It's up to you. Contact me and we can work out all the details. But you can find this on my website. Like I said, on the front page, scroll all the way down, you'll see my Riverponics growing flats. And from there, if you're interested, we can talk and work out deals. Okay? Pretty cool stuff. It's nice how I just expanded on my whole grow system with this. You know, other nice aspects of this is it's flat on the ground, so people who have limited headspace, now you're right on the ground. This could absolutely be put in a grow tent as well, and I'll work on that eventually here, doing a video on this system here in a grow tent. But alright, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll do a part 2 with plants and stuff on here and kind of show you how that works. See ya.